If you're going to start a startup, you need some tooling that will speed up having something to show. So as a developer, you most likely need some code generation, no code or something like that too, that you could create something in few minutes actually, and not days and months. And yeah, this code will be maybe harder to adapt to some specific user needs, but it will be fast to showcase something to the user. And this is the most critical part of a startup, to have something to demonstrate as fast as possible, not wait weeks and months and years. And such tools are WordPress. You could categorize, you could change the way WordPress names things, like in your content, the tags and the categories in the WordPress, maybe like some properties of your items, like some properties of a building, some properties of a product. If you have something like, the tags could be characteristics of a product, and this way you could use these two data types by putting the properties of your product and not calling them tags or categories, but some name that is more appropriate to your domain content. And WordPress is more of a Word, like Microsoft Word, like word processing tool, that you could code something out without ever touching code. And if you are more technical, you could use some more code generating tools like JHipster, like Rails scaffolding that uses Ruby on Rails technique to output CRUD operations on your data models. Like JHipster generates backend and frontend in different technologies. And if you are more like a designer, there are tools like Flutterflow that you could drag and drop and edit items if your goal is a mobile application. Yeah. And so, depending on your expertise, if you want to start a startup, you better pick a technology that will speed up and not, and so the users will have something to see very fast.